Are you gaining weight fast, feeling stressed about life and your health? Many people have this issue and think that meds are the only way out. But your body holds a powerful weapon capable of calming your mind, reducing anxiety, burning fat, and even repairing your brain. You might not know it's there, controlling these key functions. But what is this mysterious force, and how can you tap into its power to enhance your health and well-being? Today we'll explore the strongest neurotransmitter in the world and how to improve it. Welcome to Levitas. Let's dive into the effects of this incredibly powerful neurotransmitter. Imagine having something inside you that helps regulate stress, allowing you to stay calm even during your most anxious moments. This neurotransmitter is responsible for just that. It soothes your nervous system, acting like a natural tranquilizer, helping you to unwind and feel balanced. But its effects go far beyond just calming you down. It plays a major role in how your body handles fat. This neurotransmitter helps stimulate fat release and encourages fat burning, making it an essential player in metabolic health. Whether you're aiming to release weight or maintain a healthy balance, this neurotransmitter has your back. But that's not all. It also aids in repairing your brain cells, especially after stressful periods. It helps protect your brain from overstimulation, allowing it to recover and stay sharp. Additionally, it improves your sleep quality by helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative rest. Intriguing, isn't it? We're just getting started. There's so much more to this neurotransmitter. Now, let's talk about how this neurotransmitter actually works. Imagine a tiny messenger constantly communicating with your brain and nervous system. This neurotransmitter acts as an inhibitory messenger, meaning it tells your brain to slow down when things start to get too hectic. When your neurons are firing off too rapidly, this neurotransmitter steps in, calms the storm, and allows your mind and body to relax. It works by binding to specific receptors in your brain, known as inhibitory receptors, and then sends a signal to reduce the activity of overactive neurons. This quieting effect reduces feelings of anxiety, stress, and even the likelihood of panic attacks. It also prevents the overstimulation of brain cells, which could otherwise lead to exhaustion and burnout. Essentially, it's the ultimate chill pill that your body makes all on its own. What makes this neurotransmitter even more fascinating is its role in fat metabolism. By regulating insulin and cortisol levels, it helps your body burn fat more efficiently. It's like a multifunctional tool, enhancing brain health, promoting relaxation, and assisting in fat loss. So, how can we optimize this neurotransmitter? Surprisingly, there are several habits that can help boost its production naturally. One of the most effective is regular exercise. Physical activity, particularly activities like yoga, stretching, and light aerobic exercises, stimulates the production of this neurotransmitter. Even just 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Meditation and mindfulness practices are also key. When you engage in deep breathing or mindful activities, you're calming your nervous system, which boosts the production of this neurotransmitter. It's like teaching your brain to produce more of its own calming chemicals. Deep slow breathing in particular helps activate its production, which explains why breathing techniques are such an effective way to reduce stress. Getting enough high-quality sleep is another crucial habit. Sleep not only increases the production of this neurotransmitter but also allows your brain to use it better. When you're well rested, your brain is able to regulate stress and anxiety far more efficiently. Limiting alcohol and caffeine consumption is also important. Both substances can disrupt this neurotransmitter's balance, leading to increased anxiety, poor sleep, and even weight gain. So, reducing these can help your brain maintain optimal levels. Certain nutrients can have a profound effect on this neurotransmitter's activity in your brain and body. Magnesium, for example, is one of the key minerals that boost the production of this neurotransmitter. It helps to calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and improve sleep. Magnesium is often referred to as nature's relaxant because of its role in enhancing this neurotransmitter's effects. Vitamin B6 is another critical nutrient. It helps convert the raw materials your body needs into this neurotransmitter. Without enough B6, your body simply can't produce adequate amounts. B6 can be found in foods like chicken, fish, and unripe bananas, so including these in your diet can help enhance production. Zinc is also vital for boosting the activity of this neurotransmitter. Zinc helps to regulate brain function and ensure the proper transmission of signals between neurons. Foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and spinach are rich in zinc and can naturally increase your levels of this neurotransmitter. Finally, omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial for your brain's overall health, including enhancing the effectiveness of this neurotransmitter. These healthy fats can be found in fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Here's where things get really interesting: the connection between your gut and this neurotransmitter. Recent research has shown that a significant amount of this neurotransmitter is actually produced in your gut, not just your brain. This means that maintaining a healthy gut is essential for producing optimal levels of this neurotransmitter. The gut-brain axis, a complex communication network between your digestive system and your brain, plays a crucial role in how this neurotransmitter functions. When your gut is healthy, it produces more of this neurotransmitter, which then travels to your brain, helping to regulate your mood, stress levels, and even your appetite. This gut-brain connection explains why people with digestive issues often experience higher levels of anxiety or stress. An unhealthy gut can lead to a disruption in this neurotransmitter's production, making it harder for you to stay calm and relaxed. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kefir help promote gut health, and in turn boost the production of this neurotransmitter. Now that we've explored its incredible effects, it's time to reveal the strongest neurotransmitter in the world, GABA. Gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, is the brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter, responsible for keeping your brain activity balanced and preventing overstimulation. It's a powerhouse that helps you stay calm, think clearly, burn fat, and even sleep better. GABA's ability to quiet down the brain and nervous system makes it the go-to neurotransmitter for relaxation and stress relief. Its role in fat metabolism and brain protection adds to its legendary status as the strongest neurotransmitter in the world. You can naturally boost your GABA levels through certain foods. Fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, yogurt, and sauerkraut are rich in GABA, thanks to the fermentation process that produces beneficial bacteria. Other foods that promote GABA production include almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds. Herbal teas such as green tea and oolong tea are also excellent sources of GABA. They contain compounds that stimulate the production of this calming neurotransmitter, helping you to relax naturally. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a simple and effective way to increase your GABA levels. If you're looking to enhance GABA production even further, supplements are an option. GABA supplements are widely available and can help improve mood, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. A typical recommended dose for GABA supplements ranges from 500 to 750 milligrams daily, taken in the evening or before bedtime to help with relaxation and sleep. L-theanine, an amino acid found in green tea, also increases GABA production and can be taken as a supplement. The recommended dosage for L-theanine is usually between 100 to 200 milligrams per day. It's often paired with GABA to enhance the calming effects. Another supplement to consider is magnesium, which promotes GABA production and supports overall brain health. The recommended dose of magnesium for improving GABA activity is 300 to 400 milligrams daily. In conclusion, the strongest neurotransmitter in the world, GABA, plays an essential role in regulating stress, calming the nervous system, and enhancing metabolic health by promoting fat release and fat burning. It acts as the brain's natural tranquilizer, helping to prevent overstimulation, improve sleep quality, and even repair brain cells after stressful events. You can naturally boost GABA production through habits like regular exercise, mindfulness practices, and good sleep, as well as by incorporating key nutrients such as magnesium, B6, and omega-3s. The gut-brain connection further emphasizes the importance of a healthy gut in maintaining optimal GABA levels for overall mental and physical well-being. Plus, supplements can also help improving GABA levels and keep yourself at your best. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.